Are you tired of boring image carousels like this and want something to spice it up and make it more aesthetic like this? Then you should definitely watch this video. The carousel rotates 360 degrees from right to left when I scroll down, and if I scroll up, the carousel reverses like this. Now, I've used images from the KFC menu, but you can use any images. Building this is super simple. All I had to do was add my content, paste the code from the description, and done. Before I show you how to create this, I want to give 100% credit to Nikolai, and the code that we will use is from his video as well. So I want you to subscribe to him because he makes amazing content. Okay, let's get started. First, let's build the foundation for the design. So I've got my page ready here. Just click on the plus icon to add a new container. Set the content width to full width and adjust the minimum height to 500 VH. This makes sure that we've got enough space to scroll for the effect to work. Now, from the additional options, set overflow to hidden. This will ensure that elements outside the view won't interfere with the design. Also, let's set the background color to your preference. I'll change it to this, and then head over to the Advanced tab and add the CSS class Scroller, as it will help us link to this code for the scrolling effect with the carousel. Next, let's add another container inside the one we just created to hold the carousel. I'll just add a container like this, change the content width to full width, and set its minimum height to 100 VH. Go to the Advanced tab again, and add 50 pixels top padding to give some space. Now, go to Motion Effects, set Sticky to top, and enable Stay in Column, so that the content remains in view as the user scrolls. Let's also add a heading under the inner container. I'll quickly edit it like this. Alright, let's set up the carousel layout, but before we do that, there's something important to consider. Adding a bunch of high-resolution images and videos to your carousel can really slow things down on your site, and honestly, optimizing and converting all of those images manually before you upload them is a real headache, so I've got a much easier solution. My team created a free tool called Airlift. You just need to add your URL, and it'll automatically optimize every image on your site, even the ones in sliders or carousels. It even resizes them perfectly for mobile or tablets. This way, your site will load fast, giving it that smooth scrolling experience and great quality images. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Go ahead and give it a try, and let me know what you think. Now, let's get back to the design and set up the carousel layout. Add another container and change its direction to horizontal with no wrap, so that all elements in the row stay in line. Next, head over to the Advanced tab, go to Transform, and set the offset X to 50%. This will slightly shift the element to give that spinning carousel feel when we scroll. Okay, now we've got to add the images for the carousel. To do that, add an image widget to this container. Set its width to the size you want, and change its position to absolute. This makes it easier to layer and move the images. In the Advanced tab, set the CSS class to Slide, which we'll add to our CSS code for the spin effect. Go to the Transform settings again and set the offset X to -130%. This shifts the image into its starting position. Now that we have our first image in place, just duplicate the image a few times depending on how many slides you want. Now replace each slide with a different image for the carousel. Okay, all the images are in place. Let's add the code for the effect. I'll add an HTML widget at the bottom of our structure like this. In the widget, paste the code snippet that controls the carousel spinning effect. And you can get the code from the description box below. Now let's hit publish and open the page in a new preview window. As I scroll, the images spin smoothly in the carousel, and once I scroll back up, it reverses. Comment below if you have any questions and I will help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really going to thank me for this. So click here and I will see you there.